Hello, viewers. Welcome to the class for today. Today we're dealing with BODMAS. My student will join the class now. You can subscribe to this channel. Thank you. Yeah. How are you today, Israel?
I'm good.
All right, you're welcome to the class for today. Were you able to attempt the questions?
Yes.
Okay, please send it to me.
Okay.
All right. So we're going to continue shortly. All right, can you hear me now?
Yes.
So let's look at the solutions together and see.
Okay.
So based on BODMAS, we have some processes to follow here. Let me remove this one to this place first. So the first one, 22 plus 9 is what?
31.
31. So we got 31 divided by 7 times 4, then minus 3. So 7 times 4 is 28. So we have 31 over 28 minus 3 over 1. So we can say we find LCM, that's 28. It becomes 31 minus, and this is going to give us negative because when we have 1 in 28, that's 28. 28 times 3 is what? This is 24. This is 6 plus, that's 84. So minus 84. Okay.
Okay.
So just remove 31, then put negative. This is 3, this is 5. So that will be negative 53 over 28. Did you get negative 53 over 28?
No.
Is it not here? Look at it.
No, I didn't get it.
This is negative 53 over
Oh.
28, right? Right?
Oh.
So that's your answer.
Yeah.
Though you can now say, okay, how many 28 goes there? That's one whole number, right?
Yeah.
If you remove
Oh.
28, what do you have over 28 now? Remove 28 from 53. So 13 minus 8 is 5, and 4 minus 2 is 2. So your answer is correct.
Okay.
Then I think we should look at the next one here. Let's see. So for the next question, we have um, this one. Let's see. We have 24 plus 10, that's 34, divided by 8 times, what's it, 4 plus 2, that's 6, then minus 4. So 8 times 6 is 48, so 34 over 48 minus 4 over 1. So you can reduce this 34, that's 17 over 24 minus 4 over 1. So the LCM will be 24 this time. Then this will be 17 minus 1 in 24 is 24. That's 24 times 4. That will be 96. So it's going to be negative also. So just say remove 17. This is 16 minus, what's 16 minus 7?
Uh,
That's
9.
9. So 8 minus 1 is 7. So minus 79 over 24. So, and I can see that here. Then the next one, we have this one. So in BODMAS, we solve the bracket, we solve the division, multiplication, addition before subtraction. So let's see what we have here. This one is 26 plus 11, that's 37, divided by 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 times 9 is 72. Then minus 1. So this is going to be this over 72. This 37 minus 72. Because 1 in 72 is 72, then say 72, then 37. It's going to give us minus over 72. So 12 minus 7 is 5, 6 minus 3 is 3, so minus 35 over 72. Minus 35, that's correct. And the next one, we have this one. This is 28 plus 12 is 40, so divided by 7, 6 plus 1 is 7, 7 times 10 is 70, then minus 2 over 1. So we can cancel the zeros. So we have 4 over 7 minus 2 over 1, okay? Okay, can you hear me? You're muted. So 1 here, 7,
Yeah.
7 times 2, that's 14. So 4 minus 14 is minus 10 over 7, and you can change that to mixed number. But the question is to firstly get, you didn't get this one, you didn't get that one. So that's minus 1 whole number, 3 over 7. Then this remains two questions here. So for the two questions, for this one we have 13 plus 30, that's 43. Divided by 2 plus 2 is 4 times 11, that's 44. Then minus 3 over 1. So we have LCM to be, did I solve it? Let's see. Okay. Idea 188, that's okay. We have the
Okay.
LCM to be what? 44. That's 43 minus 1 in 44 is 44. That's 44 times 3. This is 12, and this is also 12. So 132 minus 44. You have this to be 8, and this also to be 8, because 12 minus 4 is 8. So that's going to be negative 88 over 44. And this is perfectly divisible. So we can say that 88 over 44 is 2, okay? So it's negative 2.
Okay.
Okay, I think you got, oh, you didn't, you almost get it, but okay, you got it here. If I see this, is this one 88 or 80?
80, 89.
Okay, 89 instead of 88. Supposed to be 88, okay.
Okay.
So now let's see. Because, oh, wait. Maybe you might be correct because I subtracted 44 instead of 43. So I think your answer is correct, okay?
Okay.
Let me see. Uh, 1, 2, 3. It's 43 I'm supposed to subtract. So this will be 9, this will be 8. So that'll be 89. So minus 89 over 44. So it can give us 2. It can give us more than 2. So that's correct. Then the last one. Let's see. We have 28 over, this is 2 plus 3, that's 5 times 6, that's 30, minus 2. So this is 14 over 15 minus 2. So the LCM is 15. This is 14 minus 1 here, 15 times 2, that's 30. This is going to be minus 16 over 15. and that's minus one whole number stuff. So okay, I think you've done a great job to that. So you can try this one, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, once you're through, you send it to me. It's gonna be classwork. All right. So we're gonna continue shortly. All right. Can you hear me now? Um, Israel, you're muted. Can you hear me now? I cannot hear you. You're muted.
I can hear you.
Okay, yeah. So we'll look at the solution quickly as we round up before I move to your sister's section. But if there's noise around you, please mute yourself, okay? And
Okay.
the moment the noise is over, you can unmute, or whenever you need to respond, you unmute, then you mute back. So
Okay.
let me copy this and make sure it's bold enough for us to use. So, okay, so these are the questions. The first one, we have to deal with the bracket first in all of the operations. So this one, we have 7 times the 4 plus 3 is also 7, then minus the 10 divided by 2 is 5. So we have to deal with the times now. 7 times 7 is 49, then minus 5. And 49 minus 5 is 44. Okay, you did not follow BODMAS. Hmm. You see, you have to do this one to get the 7 here because there's a 7 at the front. Then you have to do this one before you talk about the subtraction. The subtraction is the last thing. So let's get to the second one. We have to simplify this bracket. 15 minus 3 first, and that's 12. Then it's multiplying this, and this one is dividing this. So the addition will be the last operation. So this is times 2, and plus the result of 8 divided by 4, which is also 2. Then this one times 2 is 24, then plus 2, and that is 26. You got that one. I missed the first one. Then calculate this one. This is 10 alone without bracket, but in the bracket we have 6 divided by 2, which is 3. But we cannot jump because of this time, so we have to finish off with this one. So we have times the result of this, which is 8 minus 4, which is 4. Then we have the 10 again. Then the multiplication comes first in BODMAS. So 3 times 4 is 12. Then we have the answer to be 22. So you got that one right. And the last one, we have 24 dividing the bracket. Okay, so let's say 24 divided by the bracket is 8 plus 2, which is 10, then times 3. So division also comes first. Division comes first. So we have 24 divided by 10 times 3. So 24, yeah, I can cut down the 24 and 10. This will give me 12 over 5 times 3. Yeah, 12 times 3 is 36, then over 5. So the answer should be 36 over 5. Or I can reduce it and say how many 5 is here? 7, remainder 1 over 5. I don't think you get the last one, right? Okay, can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay. So quickly note your correction down, okay?
Okay.
Yeah. All right, viewers, that'll be it for now. We'll move shortly to probability. Thank you. Probability. Oh, sorry, not probability. Time. I forgot to finish probability. We want to work on questions that relate with clock and time, calculating times. So my student is here right now.
Hello.
How are you today, Favor?
Good.
Did you do your homework?
Yes.
Yeah, please send it to me now.
Mm.
All right, we're going to continue shortly. All right, can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. Favor, you know I'm supposed to reject this work and ask you to go and write your correction. I mean your questions, right? But don't worry, don't try
I
that.
injured my hand, so I can't write too much.
How am I
That's
so?
why
Wait,
that's
wait,
not
wait, wait,
work.
wait, wait. How am I supposed to know that? Hmm?
I've come today.
Don't do that again. Okay, is that clear?
Yes.
Okay, so whatever is going to be the excuse, if your hand, whatever, we can talk about that. Now, number one says, how many hours are there in 3 days? What did you do? Explain.
24 times 3. Because there's 24 hours in one day. So
24
3 days.
hours in one day, and that's 24 times 3. Okay, so 24 times 3, and that's 72 hours. How about the second one? It says, how many minutes are there in 5 hours? So, what's that is 1 hour,
305.
60 minutes, then times 5, and that's going to be 300 minutes. And number three says, which months of the year have, uh, read question three.
Which method? Yeah. Uh, that's one days.
Okay, you didn't answer that. Right. Next time you read question carefully. You counted them and you wrote seven instead of naming the months. What are the months anyway?
January, March, May, July, August, October, December.
August, October, December. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Then number four. How many days are there in 15 weeks? That's what? 7 days,
Hmm?
1 week times 15
That's
weeks.
it. So,
So, and that's 105 days, right?
yes.
How many days did you write there? Hmm?
Yes.
Number five. The calendar shows June 2022. What day is 19th of June 2022? 19th is a Sunday. Then what date is third Wednesday? Third Wednesday
15.
is 15th, yeah. 15 June 2022. Then what day is 6th July? That's a Monday. And how many Fridays are there? There are 4 Fridays. Okay, the last question. Ella finishes school at 3 p.m. The time on her watch is 14:13. How long until Ella finishes school? Okay, you said 47 minutes. How did you get here 47 minutes? And not E, question 6. How did you get 47 minutes? You did 15. Um,
16.
is reserved minus what? 14, 13, right? Are you there? Can you hear me at all?
Yes.
Okay, okay. So we have 60 minutes. This will be 14 hours. So this is 7 and this is 4. Then 0 hours. So that's 47 minutes. That's okay. Let's see. I'm gonna give you something to try now. Let's see.
Mm-hmm.
Try this one, okay?
Okay.
Let's work. All right. Can you hear me now?
Yes.
It says a television program begins at 6:10 p.m. The program ends at 7:05 p.m. How long did the television program lasts? So we have to do some subtraction here, which is 1905 minus 1810. And 5 cannot be taken away from, 10 cannot be taken away from 5. So you borrow 1 hour. This is 18. And this could be 60, making 65.
Mm-hmm.
So 5 uh, minus
Mm-hmm.
0 is 5. And 6 minus 1 is 5. And this is 18 minus 18 is 0. So that's 55 minutes, which is okay. 5 minutes.
Mm-hmm.
You're saying something?
No.
Okay. James goes to a meeting that lasts 1 hour 50 minutes. The clock shows the time the meeting ends. What time did the meeting begin? Um, yeah, 1 hour 50 minutes. So we have to do some subtraction too. So that means two 145 minus 1 hour 15 minutes. Yeah. So this is gonna be 30 minutes. Oh, what time did the meeting begin? I was looking at the. Yeah, no, that's not what I'm supposed to do. Shows the time it ends, then the time it started. Yeah, that's what we're looking for. So that means I have 13 45, then minus the 1 hour 50 minutes to know the time that the meeting started. 45 minus 50 is not possible, but that's 12 o'clock here. Then this is 60 plus that is 105 minutes. If you remove 50, you're going to get 55 here. Then 12 minus 1, it's 11:55. Um, yeah, probably AM or something, but it's 11:55. If I say the meeting starts at 11:55, right?
Yes.
And it lasted a minute, 1 hour 50 minutes, right?
Yes.
So I'm going to have this is 5, and this is going to be like more than necessary. So this is 105. So if I remove 60 from 105, I add it to here, then this will be 45, okay?
Okay.
Then this will be 12 plus 1, that's 13. Okay, yeah, 13:45, which is this clock. Do you understand it?
Yes.
So you didn't get that one. So the meeting started at 11:55, right?
Yes.
Okay. Take note of your correction. All right, we're going to continue shortly. Right?
Yes.
All right. I'm going to give you one question to try. Try this one. So the question here says, Oliver does her maths, French, and the history homework. If she takes a total, if it okay, it takes her a total of 3 hours. She spends 70 minutes on her history homework. Olivia spends 15 minutes less on her math homework than her history homework. How many minutes does Olivia spend doing her French homework? Well, that's a technical one. So she's to the data, and that's not a page I want to open. So here, um, here's what we have. Let's see, 3 hours in all. 3 hours. Hours. Convert to minutes. That's 3 times 60, and that's 180 minutes. Then 70 minutes for history. 70 minutes. Um, Math is 70 minus 15, which is 55 minutes. So total 70 plus 55 is 125 minutes. So French homework is going to spend 180 minus 125 minutes. 180 minus 120 is 60 minus 5, that's 55 minutes also. So we can conclude and say that history, French, and math takes 3 hours. So this is 70, this is 55, and this is 55. So will it give us 180? This is 0. Keep 1. This is 10, 17, 18. So that's 180 minutes, which is 3 hours. All right, you can subscribe to this channel. Thank you.